So we're trying to find the absolute min. So remember, to find the absolute min, first thing we're going to do is we're going to find the critical point. So we're going to find the derivative and set equal to 0. So derivative of f of x is 6x squared minus 9x, 18x, because we need to multiply the 9 and the 2. We're going to go ahead and factor out a 6x. Use our zero product property, so we end up with x equals 0 and x equals -3. Now, usually we would do a number line and check the sign of the derivative, but because we're looking for absolute, we need to check our endpoints. So instead, we're going to go ahead and use a table, so that way we can check what our y value is, and our y value is our f of x. Okay, so our 2x cubed plus 9x squared minus 10, so I'm going to go ahead and substitute those into there. So at x equals -5, the y value is -35. At x equals -3, the y value is 17. At x equals 0, the y value is -10. And at x equals 2, the y value is 42. So my absolute min, if you look at this, occurs when y is -35. So they're just looking for the x value. So the x value occurs at -5.